back to my channel. This is your girl Shrishti Goel and I hope you are doing well. So guys, you may be familiar with this dress. This is what I bought from Delhi Heart and I'm loving the vibe that this video is giving, because this video is also about a haul which you already know from Sarojini Nagar, and I took up a challenge again of purchasing things under 1,000 rupees. So again, my mother was with me, so it was very easy for me to bought under 1,000, because when I go alone I just go crazy and I buy anything and everything. So it was amazing for me to go with my mom, and I don't think I'm ever going to Sarojini Nagar without her. So guys, I will be showing you all the things that I have bought this time under 1,000, and there are few stuff which I have bought in past that also I will be showing you in this video, but it is not something that I have bought now, and it is not even available in Sarojini Nagar right now. So brace yourself, you will see some familiar outfit from the Sarojini Nagar from the past. So guys, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to show you the stuff that I have bought right now, so that you will have an idea what to expect in collection about Sarojini Nagar at around this point of a time. And then I'll be showing you the things that I have bought in past, but they are so amazing that they can beat high-end brands. As it was very interesting for me to go shop this time, because I don't know if it was me who was not shopping the right way in Sarojini, because I have seen people, bloggers getting so amazing product that it will feel like they are from the brands, and this time I have bought such clothes that it looks like they are from high-end brand and it is not from Sarojini. I could have fooled anyone easily. They are in perfect state, there is no stitching problem, nothing, and they are very high quality. So the very first dress that I have is very beautiful. I hope you can see the quality. It has a beautiful floral print and it has pastel colors going on, which is perfect both for summer and both for winters. It has this belt kind of a thing going on. It looks perfect on me, a little tight, so I don't think so that I can wear it right now, maybe after a month, but it looks amazing. Another dress that I have from Sarojini Nagar is this one. So it is a very classic neck with a very classic print, but it looks amazing. It is not black, these prints are blue. Then you see on the waist they have this gathers elastic going on, which cinch your waist, but it also bring the attention to your waist as well. So you have to keep in mind. There are a few tricks that I have learned from going all these years to Sarojini Nagar. First, what I love to do is I just like to take a bird eye view of what collection is, which shop is selling what, because it is always different, and at times you find gem in the end of the market and you'll be like, oh my god, don't have any more money to spend what I really wanted. So it's always better to just bird's eye view, just to see what do you want to buy exactly and if you can get anything better. So that is what I do. Second, go for crazy bargaining. If they say 500, you say 200, that way you'll end up at 250 or 300. Do it and do it confidently and you will get it. And if you're like, oh okay, 400, okay, 350, you will not be sure. They are not going to sell you. They say 500, you say 250. You will definitely going to get it at the amount that you have quoted. Moving on, I have a very beautiful maroon t-shirt. The best part is, of course, again, the quality, the stitch. It says what's your display picture is a french fries and your driver license looks like a potato. You look like a potato in your driver license, and in your display picture you look polished, you look groomed, you like a french fries. So this is a very beautiful graphic t-shirt, but there's one thing you can see that when I have got it bought, the print has come out. It was, guys, again definitely from a brand. The name start with A, I think Annabelle maybe. They have removed the tag. This is from Max. I have just noticed it is made in India. It is 100% cotton, and they have said that you are supposed to wash it separately. You are supposed to wash and iron it inside out. Okay, so this is the t-shirt that I have got from Sarojini Nagar. Moving on to the next product, we have Then we have this jacket, guys. Again, there is no stitching problem. It comes in a very beautiful nude shade. They had 3 shades with them: the red, the yellow, and this sort of shade. And it has a beautiful machinery cut done over here, and the frill sort of a thing going on the hem, and it looks perfectly well for your casual outing and the other days as well. Moving on to the second last product of this video, and also my favorite, and you're not going to believe the price that I have bought it for. So let's see the thing. Okay, so it's look like a white speck. Look at this, guys. This is the spaghetti kind of a top that I'm talking about, and you can definitely see the kind of a work it has. So it is reflecting some shine because it has beautiful embroidery going on. If you can see, it has a very beautiful thread embroidery, and then there are some pearls, plastic pearls, and the sequins. So it is a very intricate work, and I guess it is a gem that I have got from Sarojini. And then you turn it around and it has something going on here as well. And I tried to look for the brand, and the brand name mentioned inside is Next. So I searched it, and the Next is a UK brand, guys. There is no problem in this top. And the very special part that I'm going to tell you is, you won't guess at what price I bought it. I bought it for just 100 rupees. The price they quoted was 250, but my mom saw that a little bit of pearls and those things were coming out, and she was like, no, all these things are coming out, it is not perfect. So she was able to bring it down to 100 rupees. Can you believe it? Even if I wear it for like 3-4 times, I think I'll be good with it. I want to wear it more, but I'm saying it is not bad in 100 rupees. Okay, and the last thing from this challenge that we have is definitely a brand, because I have studied fashion, so I can tell by the quality of a fabric, by the stitch that they have, if it is branded or not. So I will be taking you through it to show you how you can also recognize. First of all, when you look at this top, you can see that it is high quality fabric. You can definitely make it out from that. It is very plain till the end, till the hem. So it has a beautiful thing going on a sleeve, which is not fitted, and it looks beautiful. Beautiful lace is going on. Look at this. So it has a very intricate work. Again, now you see they have this kind of a button and loop in the end. You can see the kind of a stitch that is going on. It speaks brand, it says brand, and I tried to look inside and to find out, and there's this one flap as well, which is mostly available in the brands. And the very interesting thing about this top is in the end, I hope you can see this net sort of a thing going on. So it gives a irregular shape, a symmetrical shape, and I tried to find out what brand it is. So there is a tag inside, and it says JD. That's it. There's not enough information for me to able to find out what brand it was. If you know this brand, please tell me. So it says, okay guys, I think I was wrong. It is not GT, it's GI. So if you know the brand, please tell me in the comments below what brand is this. Guys, so you have seen we have done amazing shopping under 1,000 rupees. When I was going for a shopping, I thought 1,000 is too less for what I used to do. So I don't think so. For the quality that I have got, the clothes that I have got, it is enough, and we have got such amazing collection. So I can definitely sure that you must have enjoyed this video. It had some amazing things which even I didn't believe that I can get in Sarojini Nagar. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, share it with your friends who can enjoy it on your stories. Leave a comment below, and please give this video a big thumbs up and press that subscribe button. Bye bye.